Let's walk through the hardware quick start guide for your new AllSecure4K Plus Wireless Security Kit. To start using your recorder, you'll need a high-definition TV capable of displaying 720p, 1080p, or 4K video, a broadband internet connection, an Android or iOS mobile device to download the Swann security app. To ensure there was no damage in shipping, we recommend you connect everything and verify functionality before performing a permanent installation. Before installing the camera in its intended location, charge the battery with the included USB cable for 30 minutes and then disconnect it. Next, remove the safety sticker and insert the battery until it clicks into place. After a short moment, you'll hear a beep. Place the antenna vertically for best reception. Remove the protective covering from the lens. Repeat for all the cameras. Next, connect the supplied Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your power hub. Then connect the other end to a spare port on your router or Wi-Fi access point. If you're connecting via Wi-Fi, skip this step. Next, connect the mouse by plugging it into the USB port closest to the Ethernet port. To copy events and perform firmware upgrades, connect your USB flash drive to the other port. Next, connect the included HDMI cable to the power hub. Then connect the other end to a display. Now, connect the 12-volt power adapter. Then connect the power adapter to an outlet. Next, remove the power hub's battery. Remove the safety sticker. And insert the battery until it clicks into place. A red LED indicates charging, while a green LED indicates a full charge. In the event of a power outage, the battery provides backup power for up to 5 hours. You should now see the setup wizard on your display. Watch the next segment, Wizard Quick Start Guide, to configure your power hub.